Hello, good morning, guys. My name is Destiny, and I'm from Edo State. I've been thinking of starting a YouTube channel for a very long time. Not a very long time, though, but for some time now. And I've just been. Let me wait till I make the returns I'm looking for. Though I'm not there yet, but I'm getting there. But I just thought to, what if I start journaling my trades on YouTube? At least that would make sense, a lot of sense. So yeah, I'm waiting for a trade. I already set my orders. This is on the usdzar pair. Now I've been watching this pair move very bullish for a very long time. That's on the 4 hours. So I was just waiting for a particular point of interest, not the most significant point of interest, but I saw an option to short the market there. But actually the daily time frame, also weekly. Now I saw this zone. I saw this particular place, yeah, because what I trade is supply and demand. But I just don't trade supply and demand alone. If I'm going to trade supply and demand alone, I'm looking for confluences on the RSI, but I'm not trading that alone. Why I'm trading this pair is because I saw a QM pattern over here. Now if we go to the 4 hour, we're gonna see that this is a high and this is a higher high. Now after that high and higher high, then price just went straight and broke the previous low. Now this pattern is a pattern that confirms change in market sentiment or change in direction of the market. It's basically just change of character pattern. That's what it is, really. But QM is just like a head and shoulders where the neckline isn't straight. Now let me show you what I'm saying. So this is this this here is a high and this is a higher high. Now price just went straight through, and if price had only broken this particular low right here, I would have said it's a valid QM pattern. But price didn't only break this low, this low. These are just minor structures though, which are good for day trading, not swinging. Now price went ahead to break this particular low, and this particular low has been tested multiple times and has held out as a good support zone. It has held out. It has done its job as a good support zone, because if you go to the line chart, you see right here that price broke through, it tested, came back and moved up, came back and moved up. This particular zone has been a very interesting zone. You see the way movements have been happening in the zone. Now this singular move, now this singular move, now this singular move broke everything in its way. See that? Now I'm on the 4 hours, and you can see clearly that, yeah, this is structure. Price broke through, and it's a very valid strong move. Look at the number of red candles. Price really price really outdid itself this time. Now when price came back here, When price came back, I was like, damn, I'm not missing this opportunity. Like I go miss this kind of opportunity. A big fuck up now. But price show me shake for yeah, big shake. And the funny thing is, I risk more than I was supposed to because I'm taking a challenge right now, and the challenge has been just giving me stress upon stress upon stress. Oh, now so I risk more than I was supposed to in this trade. I entered right here, and the trade was fine. I was like, oh damn, damn, damn. I think you're actually good. Oh, I'm surprised they show me shake like So the thing is, I wasn't patient because I already marked the zone where the thing will happen. If you look exactly the same pattern, if you look exactly the same pattern, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, but the neckline isn't on the same place. If it was your textbook head and shoulders, you would have seen the neckline was here. That's the neckline of this shoulder was here, but it's not. That's why we call it quasimodo. It's called hunchback. That's the meaning of quasimodo. If I think, yeah, hunchback. So the guy bent go one side. Now, same thing is happening here. Left shoulder, head, hopefully right shoulder. And damn, I'm not going to miss this one. I'm not going to miss this one. So, see the thing about quasimodo, bar. Anything from here, from this zone to here, is where you should be selling. That's why my stop loss is a little above this place because I want to be tight on this one. I don't want to lose what I lost the first time. So this is the trade I wanted to show you. I entered the GPUSD trade recently, and the trade was like boom, the trade hit take profits now, father, no problem away. So look at this GBPUSD where you did because look at GBPUSD. Look at GBPUSD, no burn papa way. Show me setup. Now I entered the trade here. Here. This is where I entered. Same thing, but this one was more like this one was head and shoulders. Head and shoulders, and I had very little drawdown on this trade, and I was using 30 pip stop. I was targeting 120 pip. Well, that's my issue. This is where this trade tested me a lot. A lot. I'm not going to lie. So when price came off this zone, let me go to the daily. When price came off this zone, you can see that this zone was once like a strong zone that created a very bearish move, and then when price finally had enough courage to break through it, it came back to retest. So it did similar thing here. When it did that, I said I would have set my orders there, but there was no confirmation. So when it did that, firstly I saw that he rejected this place and came he rejected this place and came back down, touched the zone, went up with some bullish candles. Then when it came back down, I'm like, okay, I see what you're doing. Then I marked this zone here. I marked this zone and price was unable to cross it. And when price rejected this one and came back down, like damn, I'm going to buy here. Like forget it, I'm going to buy. Now when I bought, the thing is I was being greedy on this trade. This is not where my initial targets were. I was supposed to do 1/3. That's one to three risk to reward, but I actually end up doing 4. And this trade really messed with my mental. Okay, now my target was around 1800. That's what's they worry me. Yeah, 803. This is where my target was. And price came so close to my target, but it didn't hit it. And when price came back down to this place, and I was like, and I challenged with this. So after I don't make some money for the challenge, I just called Jones. and price went back up and hit it. Thanks to the CPI. Well, I already moved my stop back to 1 to 3 because more that fuck up. I mean, I already moved my take profit to 1 to 3. I know the funny thing, when I was setting my take profit, I didn't even look at these zones. Like, let me tell you, take profit is just as important as stop loss. I didn't look at this zone. I didn't look at this place. Rejection, rejection, rejection. I could have easily set my stops, my take targets here, and I would have won, but I didn't. So I suffered. Not even Jordan. I never suffered Jordan on this trip, but I suffered emotional roller coaster. Then boom, price came back. Well, you good now, so why they fear? So that's just I'm just going to show you guys this two trade. Like I even show I have the video where I did analysis on this trade before. But let me show you my entries. I think. By the way, guys, I'm using Android phone. I never blow. No, you say I'm using Android phone. I'm still an Android lover. I love Samsung, but I never blow. I never blow for the trading and well, no easy. So yesterday was a good day for me. Very very good day. So the whole of last week, let me show you my trading history. Now this is my first trade. This one suffer me. This particular one suffer me very well, and I when I got to break even, and I ended up closing the trade because it tests my mental very well. And this is the second trade I took. This one was gold. This is my first challenge, by the way. I'm using very little risk. I'm not trying to risk too much on all the trades. Now this is the USD and the trade of yesterday. I mean, no, it's not even of yesterday. So yeah, I think no. So this is USD. I scored this trade like their father. No bond anyway. Then this UNZD. I lost this trade. This one was the only trade I knew I really lost. This is not even the starting of my challenge. What's wrong with me? Let me show you the starting of the challenge. I started. Started with the CHF sell, but the sell no go. I had a GP card buy limit, like the same pattern I just show you guys on the Gbpusd. It missed my target, that's my order, by half a peep. By half a peep. Like it was even up to 1.6910, but I don't know, maybe it's a spreads. Like this one would have been 0 pip drawdown. You what I was talking about, the CHF trade. Now here's another fuck up. This trade, this is what I'm saying when you're too greedy with your targets. When I entered this trade, this particular the first one, I was 100 pips up. 100 pips, and that's not like that's real money. Yeah, I was like $30 up on this trade, and I was like, man, still hold and small now. I mean, my cash like 200 pips. So when price did one brutal retracement, I panicked and I entered again, thinking it was just a retracement because it was just one candle. And I was like, maybe that candle will do a week or so. But thing caught me off anyhow. Like stuff happens, yeah. And I entered the gold trade and I won. USD won, USD won, USD sell, loss. I won this. This one was a 0.0. This one I caught 100 pips on this trade. Can you imagine? Like I was targeting 500 pips, but when I saw news coming out, I was like, let me close. Then this USD trade that I lost, but I'm still going to be enter because my order is already set. Then custom period, yeah. This guy is not showing me yesterday trade though. Tuesday, yeah. I don't know what showed me yesterday trade, last week, custom period. What's today's date? Today is 11. So I'm going to do custom period. August. 9 to August 11 14. Now look at the trades here I took yesterday. Was the Gbpusd trade I was just showing you guys, and the Gbpusd. And this is the years. This is how I lost. Yeah. So yesterday was a good day, but anyhow, I'm up $46. So I'm using the most minimal risk management, as I'm not able to risk anything at all. This one I just set my order I take, but I'm practicing set and forget like FX Alec. You know, well, I never blew for trading. I mean, you guys just pray for me. This is my first video I'm going to drop.